All right, so we're back. So here's your logs. Not bad. 33.7 volts. Minimum drop to 23.6. Your ripple was really good. Max current that I drew was 101. 4 horsepower. Temperature of your ESC was 100.6. Max RPMs I could get, obviously. You know, what I've got was 20.299. So not sure if we can get much higher on the RPMs. That's probably also why your stuff was staying cool. Because that's only about a third of the motor, because the motor is like a 60k RPM motor. Power out, we got to 100%, you can see. You don't need the amp hours or aux hours. Your BEC voltage was looking good. Your motor check for some reason wasn't registering, even though I've got the cable connected. Not sure what was up with that. But as you can see, everything's sitting up here, you know, looking good. So still pretty clean. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take some of this out. We're gonna take out the ripple. We're gonna take out the voltage. We're gonna take out the temperature. And let's see here. Take out the power, motor temp, BEC voltage. I wanna look at the RPMs, the horsepower, and the current draw. So let's find the biggest one. It looks like over here. So let's go over into here. Drop it down. Bring it out. Ooh, now look at that there. Yep, that was your highest current right here. Highest current pull. You can see because the top voltage moves when I hit it. So yep, that's good. That's good. All right. So that curve looks pretty good, man. Your RPM curve, my throttle curve is coming up. I kept it pretty smooth going down. Horsepower and current, obviously there's a point where it dipped a little bit and it picked up. That's okay. Still pretty linear. Even the one next to it, when you look next to it, you know, the current and the horsepower still dip. But other than that, man, it looks good. So, you know, we can actually gear up, because I think what the max we got is what, 53? So maybe off-road you're gonna get guesstimated, take about 10 horsepower off, you might get about 43. So so yeah, you can actually gear up. So that's where we're at with that. We'll stop there.